how to recover deleted drafts in Inshot. So one of your options or chances that you have to get these drafts back or is if you have saved this before, maybe this is your only chance because over here if you go ahead and look in their Q&A and then in the FAQ you can see the question if you can restore a draft after deleting it, and then unfortunately deleted drafts can't be recovered since they fully comply with the privacy policy and won't store any users files. They don't also have a cloud, unfortunately, so one of your only options from recovering lost drafts is to go ahead into your file manager, and then see if it maybe is there. You can do this by, of course, going into your file manager and then just go to the internal storage. Look for a folder named Inshot or Inshot editor. To be faster, you could just search for it as well. But anyways, other than trying the file manager option, those are pretty much your only options, since if temporary files still exist, you could see the raw clips, temporary video files or temp video files, not temporary, thumbnail previews, and audio use in the draft. You can try rebuilding your project manually using these since this is your only option. So hopefully the information of this video can help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.